We now have Hope Jensen here with the first look at our weather.
I just want to give you a quick preview of the national map. We do have severe weather coming in. Right now it's hanging right around Arkansas, Mississippi. It did hit parts of Arkansas earlier today and it is headed towards us. That is expected to hit tomorrow night.
Is this, there seems to be...
That's right. The United States has seen a record number of tornadoes in the month of April. In Georgia alone, we have seen 11. Now, to put that in perspective, we had 11 tornadoes in all of last year. That may look like a yard covered in snow, but look closer, it's hail. And this, damage from a tornado in Ellijay. Both of these videos were taken within the last month.
This has really been an amazing month when you think about how many outbreaks we've had of severe weather this year.
Georgia has been dealing with overwhelming amounts of damage, destruction, and death throughout the month of April. Knox says it is important to know that in Georgia, tornadoes can happen at any time, day or night, any time of the year. And now, we're in tornado prime time. The height is from March to May, and this year has been extremely bad.
There's a couple reasons for that. One is that there's a really strong temperature gradient between here in the south and up to the north, say in the Midwest and the Great Lakes where I'm from.
The north has had an extremely cold winter, and the south has seen a lot of warm weather recently.
And when you have that tremendous gradient of temperature, you really build up a lot of energy, and that energy is used to really pump up the storms that we get. And so when you have that strong energy, you're more likely to get severe weather.
Now, Knox also told me that the biggest thing to keep in mind with tornadoes is to be prepared ahead of time. Have a plan and know what's coming. You can know what's coming by listening to a weather radio or getting text messages on your phone. She also wanted to emphasize the difference between a weather watch and a weather warning. A watch means to be prepared and a warning means head for cover now. Now, I'll be back later in the show with your 5-day forecast to tell you when we can expect this weather to clear out.
Thanks, Hope. The trees aren't the only things on UGA's campus that are going green. Find out how the Department of Sustainability is handling the situation next on UGA News Source.
Now, I'm Hope Jensen with weather, and this is a look at our local radar. Our local radar, we have that rain I was talking about a little bit earlier coming in. Now, this rain is expected to hit us a little bit earlier, probably tonight or tomorrow if it makes it in. Tonight, we're expecting 30% participation chance with our temperature at 64 degrees, and it's going to be about mostly cloudy if that rain doesn't hit. Tomorrow, it'll be partly sunny with 86 degrees, 30% chance of precipitation and 10 to 15 mile per hour winds. Tomorrow's highs all around northeast Georgia are all going to be right around 80, with Athens being the highest at 86 degrees, so that is going to be a lot hotter than it was today. Tomorrow's lows, we're looking right around the 60s. Athens is going to be down at 63 again, and up in Asheville, we're at 58. Now, our 5-day forecast is going to be Wednesday. We're going to have 30% chance of rain, but Wednesday night is the one we really need to watch out for. That's that 80% chance of severe weather coming in. Thursday it'll rain, but this weekend it's going to be beautiful and 80 degrees again.
Well, Hope, I'm really glad to hear some nice weather's coming in after the storms.
Me too.
A former Bulldog got caught smoking pot. We'll tell you what it means for the football star's career next on News Source.